welcome to another video, and this time we're going to do a diaper bag tote. It's a large bag, that's why it's called a tote, and this is by Vicky Lee Bags by Lynn. The outside main fabric is 17 by 13 and you need two of those, both interfaced and fleeced. So that's that one. And the next one is front pocket, outside 9.5 by 9.5 squared times 2, and that's that one. The bag bottom main, you only need one of those, and it's interfaced and fleeced, 17 by 6.5. The next one is the outside zipper pocket, 22 inches by 12 inches, and I can't really make out what Lynn says, whether we want one or two. I've done one at the moment because I assume you just fold it over. If we need more than one, I will correct that in the video as we're going along. Your zipper you'll need for this, she's used a 5. She's used a size 5. I will use a size 3 because that's what I've got in stock. And you need at least 12, that's the least that you need. Mine's 14s, I do like them to be a bit bigger and then cut them down. And then we come to the last of the main pieces that we need, and that's the side pockets at the ends of the bag. And side pockets are 6.5 by 13 times 2. Now because the pockets, I haven't interfaced or fleeced these, and I think Lynn does slightly different. I didn't interface or fleece the front pocket, and this is the side pocket, and I won't be doing that to these. For this you need 1/2 inch elastic. To also go with this, that's my elastic. To also go with this you need what the outside pockets attach to, and that's pockets for the sides, 18 inch by 8.5 or 8.5 inches times 2. These are handles, and it's handles times 2. In other words, you've got she's put on crossbody handles and short handles, and her crossbody one she's measured at 4 inches by 62, and she's interfaced. And I've just got the short ones here, which are 19 inches by 4 times 2, and I've interfaced those again with the interfacing I had in stock. And the reason I haven't done the crossbody ones because I might use this instead. So watch this space. I will have to put on I'll have to make the tabs for the crossbody and put those on regardless of which way I do it. And the tabs for the crossbody handles are 4 inches by 3 times 2, and I've interfaced those. The top zipper panels are 17 inches by 5 inches times 2, so I've got 2 there. I've interfaced and fleeced those because they're part of the main bag. And the zipper you need for the top, she recommended a jacket zipper, which I've got here, and that way then you can whoever uses this can completely open the whole zipper and put the bag really wide and hide a lot of stuff in there, hold a lot of stuff I should say. Right, hardware, when I'm not dropping it on the floor, is, let's move that out of the way, is 2 D-rings, 1 inch, 1 inch, any colour, wherever you want to put on your bag. 2 swivel clips, again mine's all black because I've got black outside. And if you're making your own long crossbody handle, then you need a 1 inch tri-glide. I'm not sure which way I'm going yet, so I've not got this out because I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, that's all the bits that you need. So now we go to the lining, and it's the same as the outside main fabric, 2 times 17 times 13 inches, and it's interfaced. Pocket linings the same, 13 times 6.5 times 2, and I've interfaced that with, I've done, she does light interfacing or heavy interfacing. All I had in was woven interfacing, so that's what I've used. The same as the ones from the outside, 18 inches by 8.5 inches times 2 for the pocket, and I've interfaced them. Then we come to an inner pocket, which is 10 inches by 21 inches. So obviously then, now I've only done one, because she doesn't make it clear whether it's 1 or 2. Again, if that's different, I will let you know as the video goes on. You need a zip for this. Now again, you can use any size you wish. I've used a size 3, but it's only got to be at least the narrowest, so mine's 10 inches. So that one is actually 10, but if you've got a bigger one you can use that. You can't use less than 10. The bottom of the bag is the same as the outside of the bag. Now you can do this because it's the inside bottom. You can do this. She's done hers in black, so it contrasts with her yellow. But I'm going to do it all yellow on the inside because basically I ran out of black. So my bottom inside lining is 17 inches by 6.5, and you just need one of them, and I've interfaced it. There is a difference, and that's the inside pocket. You need one piece of this, and it's a rather large one because this is the one that gets separated into different pockets on the inside, and that's that's interfaced with my woven, 19 inches by 21, and you only need one of those. And let's go.